Okay, now I will run a program from the software to move this CNC router. Okay, this is the driver. See the driver for this motor, x axis, y axis, and z axis. Okay, I will load the program. Load G-code, and I will find okay, then cycle start 0 first, then start. The rotor will move X and Y. You can see now the movement of X and now the movement of Y. Okay, you can see from this software the running. Same as the software. Okay, stop. Okay, that's all for today. Next, we'll see how we load the program from the LazyCam.